Should I blow it out first?
No, leave the fire on.
What if I burn myself?
It'll be funny.
It's not funny. Move out of the way. It's huge.
Don't take the wax out. Told you needed more time.
No. There's plenty of time. I can't do it with this with the fire.
Told you.
Ooh! Oh, that was a close one. I got something though. That arm grabbing something else in there.
Kaylin, you're gonna tip the wax out. Stop.
No, I see. There it is. Just gotta grab it. Ah! Is that something still?
I'll light it back so it can. No, I think it's just a sticker, Kaylin.
Okay. Doing this. Wipe it off. Seems quite small. Red and silver.
Probably got the $10 one.
Yeah, probably. A little baggy. Dump it out. And it's hot. Anything written on the inside?
Let me see.
I think it's safe to say it's the $10 ring.
Yep, I think so. Don't think that's red. I think it's brown.
Yeah, it looks kind of brown.